Air compressors are vital across many industries, ensuring seamless operations, but their efficiency depends heavily on one critical component: the air suction filter. The air suction filters remove impurities from incoming air, preventing contaminants from entering the compressor. This ensures the smooth operation of critical components like airends and valves. Over time, the intake air filter can become clogged, leading to pressure drop, reduced inlet pressure, and a higher compression ratio. A clogged filter forces the compressor to work harder, causing energy loss and potential component damage. Follow ELGi's recommended maintenance schedule for air filter replacements. Delaying replacement can result in higher energy consumption and increased system wear. In dusty environments, filters may need more frequent changes. Always use genuine ELGi air filters. They're precision-engineered for your compressor, ensuring optimal filtration and a longer service life. Clogged filters restrict airflow, reduce efficiency, and increase power consumption. Replace air filters on time for consistent peak performance. Keep your compressor running at its best. Order genuine ELGi air suction filters today.